This is the EAUAV C60V, a solar panel cleaning drone with an onboard 60-liter tank. On factory rooftops with gentle slopes, C60V works together with ground robots. No trailing hoses on the roof, just a two-person crew covering up to around 1,000 square meters per hour with waypoint or AV point routes and fast battery turnaround. When panels float on water and people can't safely reach, C60V does. The aircraft stays clear of obstacles while the oscillating spray lays down a consistent, low-disturbance rinse. Long strings of modules. Fly the row, keep the cadence. The downward oscillating nozzles deliver even coverage from the first panel to the last. On residential roofs, agility matters. No hoses dragging across tiles, no ladders. Just quick setup, precise passes, and a clean finish. Scale up to large factories without changing the recipe, 2 crews, continuous sorties. With about 200 square meters per sortie and approximately 1,000 per hour in steady rhythm, downtime drops and output climbs. When roof pitch climbs past robot limits, C60V keeps working, safely, precisely, and without touching the roof. Team play, the robot clears open lanes, the drone handles perimeters, obstacles and transitions. Together, the site finishes faster with fewer stops. Carports demand finesse. Fly above parked vehicles, thread the posts and braces, and keep water exactly where it should go. From rooftops to reservoirs, this is real-world solar cleaning, fast, consistent, and widely proven on factory roofs. C60V goes where crews can't, and finishes what robots don't.